welcome to Crown Point. Today we want to show you a little bit about our company, which was established about 9 years ago. We used to be Royal Truck and Trailer, but we did a name change it to Crown Point Truck and Trailer Repair Center. In the years passing, we became one of the largest repair shops in the state of Illinois, and soon enough we're going to become one of the largest in the Midwest. The company started from like some trucks, few trucks, and we grow up to about 73 trucks, and the repair shop for trucks, small cars, body shop. We work with all the insurance nationwide. So how about I will show a little bit our operation here, and you will have an idea, a better idea about our company and what we can do for you, what service we can provide you to the top-notch quality for the repairs, starting from small cars all the way to semi-trucks, trailers, and engine repairs and all this stuff. Let's go inside. Here we have the auto repair, the place where we do all kind of maintenance for the small cars, import and export cars, domestic and international, whatever you want to call it, starting from like the cheapest model to the most expensive one, like we do Maseratis, Lamborghini, Bentleys, we do all kind of service for those cars. Our certified technicians are always ready to help you, to give you estimates. We provide free estimates for the customers, so we provide estimates for the insurances. We start actually becoming direct repair with some insurances, and we are very proud of that. Here actually is the small office where the manager stays, and technicians come for putting the orders in. See that people are busy on the phones ordering parts and getting the estimates ready for the customers for the approval. Now we go further. Of course, we have lifts for small cars. We have the alignment machine and the big lift for the pickup trucks, vans, box trucks, for more heavy-duty equipment. Also, we have lifts for the big rigs, for the sprinters too. We have for box trucks bigger lifts where we can service them, do the oil changes and all the PM. Here is the parts department, which is still under construction. As you see right now, we're still organizing. It's gonna sell parts for cars, trucks, oil, filters, everything people need it. In case somebody wants to come just to grab it and do it by themselves, we are more than happy to help them. You see a bunch of cars here now is because we actually became one of the dealerships. We sell small cars, we sell trucks and trailers. We just got a new lot of Hondas coming in, and right now they're getting to the process of putting up for sale. So we are a little bit like packed as right now. You can see. Again, more lifts, Now we're going to the body shop. Our body shop is one of the most high-end body shop. We install like 4 prep rooms, which is prep room / spray booths, and also we have 2 spray booths separately where we can fit trucks. We can fit also sprinters into it. You can see here we have of course the spray machine, which any body shop should has it. You can see by the way, Serge, he's my partner in auto repair. Hello. Here we have the prep rooms, spray booth. The setup is done to have like two prep rooms with 1 spray booth all the time. Also, we have 2 preps with another spray booth all the time available for the technicians to do the jobs. As you can see, we do small cars repair, we do semi-trucks repair, body shop, and we are proud of it that our customers and insurance are happy. A very, very, very old car for complete tear down and rebuild, and all frame machine can never be done. We're going toward the truck repair. Here's where we do the preventive maintenance. We do engines repairs, we do transmission repairs, all kind of repairs. Nothing too small, nothing too big for us, you know, so we can handle it. Of course, we have heavy-duty cranes, which is gonna help a lot, you know, the trucks, pick them up or, you know, work underneath. Basically, this is the repair shop. Outside, we have the dealership. We're gonna go there shortly, so you can see the dealership. And we are very proud to let you know that actually we just bought the entire property, which is about like 200,000 square feet. It's gonna be the largest repair shop in Midwest of United States. Thank you so much. We're gonna go outside next.